Finding the courage to change, giving up on changing others. I'm learning to stand up for myself. I'm developing the courage to express how I feel. I'm learning not to abandon myself when others disagree with me. However, learning to do this is a slippery slope for me because I'm also a skilled manipulator. I have an unconscious habit of repackaging my approach in an effort to get others to change. I get lost in daydreams of what if I said this? Persuasion is an important skill, but I cannot force others to change. If I'm only satisfied when the other agrees with me or take my advice, then I've lost my focus. I've slipped into emotional insobriety. When I recognize that I'm unhappy because another does not agree with me, it's time to give up. I give up. I give up the battle. I give up the struggle. I give up trying to explain. It is what it is. I let go of the situation. I'm not always successful, but I try to shut up. I try to walk away. I try to reassure myself that everything is going to be okay. I try to change my channel to a better feeling. Sometimes it is what it is the best feeling thought I can muster. Sometimes I remember the idea of live and let live. We're all given the freedom to make our own decisions. I don't always know how to be a team player and be true to myself. But when I give up on changing others and focus on being my best self, then I'm on the right path.